Tito Robert again with Vanillascape Land Corporation for another episode of Tito Robert's House Tour. This one in particular is actually a sold unit, but pakita ko sa inyo how we do things. Kakatapos lang ng ECQ, now is GCQ, so don't forget to wear your mask and your hard hat. Alright. This is the Demetrio Unit, alright? This has a lot of bedrooms. We'll go see inside, but check out this beautiful Decra roof, textured walls. Come on, come on. And look at this. Brick laying at its best, and the bricks will go all the way up to the precast. And guess what? This brick is made, handmade, just for us. Come on, come on. Alright, this is an active construction site, so we do need a hard hat. Kahit my mom says matigas ng ulo ko. Come on. Something's blocking the front door, so we have to go through the side. You can see nice wide side yard here. This one here is the service area. Come on, let's go inside. Alright, over here is the living room. And here, parts of the kitchen is right here. But you can see how spacious it is. Accent brick walls, textured walls. This is the dining room over here. This is the kitchen, and check this out. Vegan tiles on the first and second floor. This is made, handmade, just for us. Check that out, and Kuya is laying it out. Really, really nice. Come on, let's go upstairs. Alright. The comfort room is underneath the stairs. As you can see, being painted. Okay, let's go upstairs. Nice windows for ample light and ventilation. This is how the cabinet starts off, but after it's varnished, it's gonna look so good. Alright, come on. We got 2 bedrooms over here, common bathroom. It's a little dark over there, so we won't go there. Come on, come on. Another bedroom over here, corner glass. Behind here is the entrance to the balcony, and come on. Here's the masters. Alright. The bed would be here. Accent bricks over here. Walk-in closet. And the bathroom. Alright. And again, lots of windows. Alright, if you want to know more about this unit and any other units, please go to www.vanillascape.net. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Tito Robert again, and remember, be wise and compare.